Fish oil is an excellent ingredient to be found in your dog's food. We include fish oil in our products for a multitude of reasons. Fish oil contains the fatty acid omega-3, which we know is extremely beneficial for your dog's health. It promotes heart health and it helps with your skin health, and it also makes your dog's coat very shiny and helps prevent inflammation. Fish oil also contains DHA, which helps with your puppy's brain development. Fuel your dog with confidence. Fuel them with joy. Visit joydogfood.com to find a dealer near you or call 800-245-4125.